My name's George Folger. I'm a Regional Safety, Health, Environment and Quality Manager with Clancy Group. As part of our works, we often come across underground services that are either unmarked or undetectable. They can present an electrical arc hazard to our guys should they be damaged, or if they were degraded, they can also arc flash. Once these are identified or uncovered, the guys can continue to hand dig around the services to carry out the job they're going to do, but in doing that they can also present a danger of striking and damaging an underground service with a hand tool. Traditionally, to protect our employees or other workers, ground workers, from arc flash dangers, people could use rigid boards to provide an additional layer of protection. The problem with the rigid boards is very much they're inflexible in the nature, and because we all know that underground services can vary in the direction they go, we identified there's a need to have a flexible layer of protection. That's why we developed the arc covers with ProGarm. Compared to the rigid boards, the flexible covers are a lot easier because you can have 1, 2, 3 or multiples clipped together, whereas the rigid boards, just from the very nature of them being rigid, they're not flexible, so they can't be used in a safe dig area. During the trial and development of the product, we've had our ground workers, the frontline guys, actually trial the product and give us feedback on what we can do to improve it. The original cover was just a plain grey material, whereas we've identified by having it as arc flash and our high vis with reflective strips, that then makes it more visible for when the guys work in hours of darkness or poor light conditions. The feedback we've had is actually really positive. The guys understand the need for it, that it's giving them that extra layer of protection, as well as actually protecting the service from damage whilst they're hand digging. As part of the product development and now be going into production, what we're encouraging our teams to have are a minimum of 2 covers per 2-man team. That way, the majority of the small works they cover, the two arc blankets, arc covers, will protect them. Certainly, once the introduction has gone to full steam ahead with everyone having these covers and being available, we see that we'll see a reduction in service damage incidents, but also, more importantly to us, is about an extra layer of protection from our guys being injured should an arc flash occur. We'd recommend that any contractor or indeed any ground worker that's excavating where there are known underground services, that these covers can be used equally as safely for them as well, because it's not only about protecting our employees, it's anyone in the industry. Certainly since we've approached ProGarm about developing the covers, we've identified that it's been really easy to work with them, and they've been very open to our feedback from the different product development stages. I would certainly say that it's been an easy experience on both sides. Our guys, our teams doing the product development as well as the trials, and working with ProGarm has been very, very good. Having worked with ProGarm on this product development, should any other future innovations be identified involving this type of protection, we certainly work again with ProGarm.